Welcome back. I'm Davey D. Lena Girl over here. It's time for us to do some Shakas and Shoutouts. First of all, Shakas and Shoutouts to UB40, the iconic reggae band. Of course, you know them. I mean, Lena Girl, you really know them because Navai Ho'olu'u Ke Anuenue used to always play the hits. I remember being on the Start Answer and you guys would have like one medley of their songs.
I loved it. Labor of Love 2. We grew up on that stuff. We did get a chance to open for Jimmy Cliff and Steel Pulse, but never UB40.
Aww.
Yeah. But that's okay because they're back.
Yes.
They are coming back to the Blaisdell Arena on Valentine's Day, February 14th.
Uta. You know, UB40 has so many hits, earning them multiple top 10 gold and platinum selling albums, 4 #1 hits worldwide, and multiple Grammy nominations.
Woo-hoo.
All right, but sis, if I'm being honest, you know, UB40 is not really UB40 without Ali Campbell.
Please tell me he's coming. He's the voice of UB40,
He is the
right?
voice.
Nah, I'm just kidding. That's why we're super excited. I knew already. Ali is coming too. So it's UB40 featuring Ali Campbell and special guest, our local girl, Anu Hale.
All right, for ticket information, go to kitv.com/links and click on UB40. Now, Shakas and shoutouts to our Hawaii public school teachers, all of them.
Yes.
But specifically, we wanted to highlight the 6 Hawaii public school teachers that received presidential awards for excellence in mathematics and science teaching.
This is the nation's highest award a science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and or computer science teacher can receive for outstanding teaching in the United States.
Yeah, these are all our local teachers over here. This is so
Love
awesome.
it.
The awardees receive a certificate signed by President Joe Biden, a trip to Washington, D.C., and sis, a $10,000 award from the National Science Foundation.
That's right. Ho'omaikai to Whitney Aragaki, Jessica Barbera, Michael Ida, Gregory Kent, Carlene Lynch, and Sarah Milianta Laffin. Presidential awards for excellence in mathematics and science teaching.
Hey, Shakas and shoutouts to Catholic Charities Hawaii, or CCH. Since 1947, CCH has offered assistance to people in need regardless of faith and culture.
An incredibly awesome organization. And yesterday, Tina Andrade was installed as the organization's first lay female and Native Hawaiian leader in the organization's 77-year history.
Lay female, what is that, sis?
So a lay female is a Wahine member of the Catholic Church who's not ordained clergy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so she doesn't serve in any of the positions there. She just practices the faith.
And she serves in this role now.
Absolutely,
Wow.
absolutely. And you know, under her guidance, CCH secured $200 million to expand affordable housing in Hawaii and facilitated the distribution of over $150 million in federal rental assistance during the pandemic. What a great leader to have at the helm.
That is so awesome. Congratulations and
Yes.
Shakas and shoutouts to Madam President Tina Andrade. All right, Lewi Koholukula is back with what you need to know for today. What you got for us, sis?